Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss one new topic of this chapter. As we know, the chapter itself has a name: electric charge and electric field. So up to yesterday, we were discussing different aspects of electric charge. Now onwards, we are going to add another feeder of this particular chapter, which is electric field. It is a quantity that can be calculated or obtained because of charge. So that's a mandatory condition. If we are saying, or if we say that the electric field is present, itself indicates there must be some charge. See, please try to concentrate on board only. Do not try to write anything. We are not in hurry to write the theorems only. So please focus on the board and try to understand what I am explaining. Let's say I have a charge. Let the charge is equal to Q. So the question was arrived in mind of scientists that whenever any charge is present in vacuum or in some given medium, is there any effect of it in nearby region, that is the area around the charge? And for that particular purpose, to get the answer of that question, he used some positive charge at some distance from that Q charge. That positive charge, let me denote it with plus Q. Even the distance between these two charges shown in this figure is not necessarily be equal to positive. Because of that, the distance between two charges is variable. पर इसमें फायदा क्या होगा? यहाँ पे जब चार्ज था तब उसके Q के द्वारा फोर्स लग रहा था, नहीं तो यहाँ आने के बाद लगा, नहीं तो यहाँ आने के बाद लगा. So we can check at what distance the force of electric type by this charge Q on that charge plus Q gets started. और इन लोगों ने क्या पाया कि each and every charge, not only this, each and every charge has tendency to generate force on any other charge in the near region, but this region is fixed by that charge itself. So the value, magnitude and capacity, amount of charge plays an important role to create its own region in which any positive charge, whenever gets placed, experience some force, electrical force by this charge on. Simple एक example लेते हैं. Suppose 6.5 फीट का बैट्समैन है और उसके हाथ में लगभग 5 फीट का वो बल्ला लेके बैटिंग करता है और वो खड़ा है, तो जब बॉल आप डाल रहे हो तो वो अपने से 5 फीट का उसके पास बल्ला था, 5.5 फीट का, तो 5.5 फीट तक इतना घुमा सकता है. सो इन दैट रीजन he can hit the ball. अब तो वो महिला क्रिकेट भी चलती है, तो स्टीवन सी कैन हिट. अगर उसके पास 4.5-5 फीट का वो बल्ला लेके खड़ी है, लंबी सी लड़की है, तो इतने रीजन तक काम करेगी. बट व्हाट हैपन्स इफ दैट फेलो, वो लड़की वाली बात नहीं, वो जो बंदा खेल रहा था उसको रिप्लेस कर दिया जाए मेरे से, तो नाउ जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो वो हाइट वाला प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा, उसी हिसाब से मेरा बैग भी रखना पड़ेगा मुझे 4 फीट. तो वो 4 फीट का जब मैं मारने जा रहा हूँ, तो द रीजन एक्वायर्ड बाय माई सेल्फ विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट बैग इज ऑफ radius 4 meter only, 4 feet only, while it is of 6 feet for that for the other candidate. समझ में आई बात? तो अगर ये चार्ज की मैग्नीट्यूड हमने फिक्स किया है कि 2 माइक्रोकूलम एंड it create its own field around it in this much of region, तो उसकी जगह पे अगर आप 8 माइक्रोकूलम डाल रहे हो तो द रीजन में इंक्रीज, और अगर 0.5 माइक्रोकूलम डाल रहे हो तो रीजन में डिक्रीज. Right. So this region in which the effect of this charge prevails or prevailing is known as electric field of that charge. Mind well, जिसके आने से फोर्स जनरेट हुआ वो उसका फील्ड नहीं बोला जाएगा. फील्ड किसका बोला जाएगा? जिस चार्ज के फील्ड में वो आ गया और उसको फोर्स लगा. तो जो पहले से खड़ा था जिसका फील्ड हम एग्जामिन कर रहे हैं, फील्ड उसका है प्लस क्यू और चार्ज इनिशियल, राइट. और उसके आसपास के एरिया में अगर किसी चार्ज को लेके आते हो पॉजिटिवली, सर, तो फिर इज इट मैंडेटरी दैट द चार्ज व्हिच कम्स आउट और कम्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड मस्ट बी पॉजिटिव? ऐसा कोई रूल में नहीं बोला. इट इज ट्रू फॉर बोथ टाइप ऑफ चार्जेस. ये माइनस है तो माइनस भी ला सकते हो, देन इट गेट्स रिपल्ड. ये माइनस है वो प्लस ला सकते हो, देन द अट्रैक्शन कैन जनरेट बिटवीन देम. समझे? So the type of force is depend on the type of charges. Like है, unlike है, unlike है तो अट्रैक्ट करेंगे, like है तो रिपल करेंगे, like में प्लस तो दोनों प्लस होंगे, like में माइनस तो दोनों माइनस होंगे. All of the possibilities are available. Okay, but the region around the charge in which its effect prevailing, if its effect is prevailing, is known as electric field of that particular charge. It is denoted by E. And as we can see that the distance of that charge used is also a mandatory thing to be shown. So, जब वेक्टर फॉर्म में इसे दिखाओगे तो ER लिखा जाए. And as it is amount of force per unit charge, amount of force per unit charge, force per unit charge. Here the force is vector, that's why it is vector. And so we can write 1/4 pi epsilon 0. I am writing the formula of electrical force given by Coulomb. Then Q1, Q2, but now I am not supposed to write both the Q's because I required only one Q. The second one is diminished by this charge present in the bottom. So now 1.4570 Q. Second Q was gone. Or let me write once. Q by R square into Q. Which Q is that? And as it is vector, as this is vector, we have to show. That's why can be written as or we can write it as KQ by R square. What is changed? Then what it was in the electric force, what is changed? One charge is less than that it was in the force, formula of force. Okay, even from this formula, we also derive SI unit. You can derive SI unit. Force of electric field is force Newton upon charge Coulomb. Or by resolving this formula in form of volt, we can write it volt by meter also. Because we know that Newton is equals to kg meter per second square. And then it's a Coulomb. Kg meter per second square. Kg meter per second square. But here I am going to write, so it's Coulomb per meter. Coulomb per meter square is required. So it is multiplied and divided by m. That's why the bottom has m over here. Right? So these are the SI units of it. And the work for you is to prepare dimensional formula of E. This is for you. You can use this. You can write ampere into second instead Coulomb. Why? Because electric current I is charge upon time. So its unit is Coulomb
હા સર, હવે દેખાયું. હા હા હા. હવે ક્લિયર દેખાય છે, થોડું ઝૂમ કરવાનું. બસ. બરાબર છે. ના ના ના.
સર મ્યુટ છે. સર મ્યુટ છે. ઓડિયો મ્યુટ છે.
સર
હેલો સર, રાજેશ સર, તમારો અગર અવાજ આવે તો તમારો ઓડિયો મ્યુટ છે. સર ના મેમ.
નહીં સંભળાતું મેમ.
સર એકલા એકલા બોલ બોલ. અવાજ નહીં આવતો મેમ. મેમ પણ નથી અવાજ આવતો. मीना मैम, उनका वॉइस भी और उनकी आई नहीं रही है.
હલો સર. સર, આ લોકોને વોઇસ નથી આવતો, ખબર નહીં કેમ. બધાના મેસેજ આવે છે તમારો. મને આવે છે ક્લિયર જ, પણ આ બધાને નથી આવતું. હા એ જ. હા હા, એ લોકોને કદાચ એ લોકોનું પોતાનું ઓડિયો ચાલુ કરે એવું. એટલે સ્ટુડન્ટ બધા પોતાનો ઓડિયો ચાલુ કરે એટલે કદાચ તમારો વોઇસ સંભળાય. મને તો ક્લિયર સંભળાય જ છે.
વિડિયો તો ચાલુ જ છે.
હા. મને તો ક્લિયર જ સંભળાય છે. હા વાંધો નહીં.
નથી સંભળાતું મેમ.
બધા એક વખત પોતપોતાનું માઇક બંધ કરીને જુઓ ને. પણ બધા પોતપોતાનું માઇક બંધ કરીને જુઓ એક વખત.
नहीं नहीं सेव नहीं करूं खाली पाड़ी नहीं
સંભળાતું નથી જ મેડમ.
સર નથી સંભળાતું એ લોકોને એવું કે છે. એટલે એવું કે છે બહુ ઓછું સંભળાય છે એમ. અમુક એવું કે છે કશું નહીં સંભળાતું, અમુક એવું કે છે બહુ ઓછું સંભળાય છે. પણ સર મને બી ક્લિયર સંભળાય છે.
Explain electric field of a point like charge. Then in answer, first point is definition. Write down the definition. મીનાબેન હજુ પ્રશ્ન ચાલુ છે? નજીક આવ્યો કેમેરાથી.
થઈ ગયું સર.
મીના મેડમ,
હા થઈ ગયું, હવે બરાબર છે.
so let's write the first point, definition. The region around the charge in which the effect of electric charge is prevailing. Is called the electric field of that charge. Or the force acting on a unit positive charge at a given point in an electric field of a point like charge or a system of charges is called the electric field or intensity of electric field, or intensity of electric field at that point. Next point, some important points. Of an electric field. First, the electric field due to a charge Q is numerically equal to the force exerted by it. The charge Q which is producing the electric field is called source charge. And the charge Q and the charge small q which tests the effect of a source charge is called a test charge. उसी में अभी और कंटिन्यू में एक सेंटेंस लिखिए. Here the test charge should be negligibly small. Second point, electric field of some charge capital Q. Is independent of small q. Because vector F is proportional to small q. Vector F so that the ratio F by Q does not depend on small q.
सर रिपीट करो.
Number 3. For positive charges, the electric field will be directed radially outward. For positive charges, the electric field will be directed radially outward from the charge. Radially outward from the charge. While it is radially inward for negative charge. कैसे दिखेगा? पॉजिटिव चार्ज अगर है then it is like this. The vector showing the force are radially outward. Or if negative charge is the charge for which electric field is defined, then it is like this. अंदर जाता हुआ दिखेगा. ठीक है? Then number 4. The magnitude of electric field depends on the magnitude of electric field depends on distance small r. Thus, at equal distance from equal distance from charge q comma the electric field is the same. In other words, it has a spherical symmetry.
सर रिपीट करो.
Spherical symmetry. Next point. See, next point means not number 5. These are the important points. So please make subtitle is as our question is also for that, but the important points may ask as a separate question in board exam paper for 2 marks. That write down the special points of an electric field. Then you just need to write these 4 points only. Even it may ask like define electric field of a point charge and then give its important points or give some characteristics. Then also the answer is this. Right. Now, let's add 2 to 3 points about its formula as well, what we discussed previously. So, according to definition, vector E, or you can write ER as we wrote in the first part of the lecture. So vector E is equals to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R square into Q. That's why. Or you can write ER, vector R. Both of these is correct. Is equals to, let me write K instead this, then Q upon R square. So which in turn equals to F by Q. Then Newton by Coulomb or volt by meter. Let's move to the next question. Explain electric field of system of charges. System of charges means we have more than 2 charges present. Here, as like in electric force, superposition theorem is mandatory to get total electric field generation. the amount of total electric field generated by a single point-like charge, or you can say unit charge, can be calculated using two or more than two charges by capturing them. हम उन चार्जों को उसके अगल बगल में रखेंगे to check the intensity of force over there, to check, and thereby we can calculate the field at that point as well. Let's say we have a point like charge, unit charge at this point P, and we have some charges Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 at some distance from this. What we are interested in to check the electric field due to this charge. So the surrounded area should be maybe under action of this electric force, which is generated by point like charge P at point P. P is a point, mind well, and a point like unit positive charge is over there, which generates some electric field, and we are placing these charges to check its intensity. So the distance between these 2 points is denoted, can be denoted by 2p, right? So the distance of this is denoted by 1p. It's of 1 with respect to p. For this 3, it is 3p. For this 4, it is 4p. Right. Now, according to our knowledge, we know that the forces also gets generated due to these charges. For example, Q2 generates, if they are positive, then repulsive force in this direction. Great. So similarly, the Q4 generates F4 in this direction. Because of these forces, we can have, as we know about the force, we can have the value of magnetic electric field also, right? So we can denote it as E4, E2, because we are going to divide these forces with this charge, one or unit charge, right? Similarly, for these 3, we have E3, and but these, all of these are in vector form. आप देख सकते हैं सब vectors है. So we can write it as like this. यहाँ से भी लगेगा, which is E1. So let me connect this as like this. This is for the total resultant. Okay. This is a resultant of these two only. You can say like that. This is all for charge on point P. Okay. So let's start to solve and derive the formula. According to definition of an electric field, what is even? What is even? Then it is, according to that formula, we can write K R1P, right? It's 1P. For even, it's 1P because the charge is over here. Square into R1P K. Okay. K, because of this, that's why Q1, and this is the electric field. Similarly, for charge Q2, it's E2, which is equals to K Q2 upon R2P into R2P K. Which is same for all remaining charges. Now, according to superposition theorem, vector E is a sum of E1, E2. Suppose we have n charges, then we can write En as well. Here we are denoting it with 1, 2, 3, and 4 only, but it is a system. It may a system of n charges as well. Then also the formulation remains same. So we can see that the K, Q, Q, Q. So K is common, or we can write 1 upon 4 by epsilon 0. So K is common. Then first is Q1 R1P square R1P cap, or we can write R1P cube and vector R1P. Right? If I am writing R1P this, then why it is so? हमने वो फोर्स वाली थियोरी में किया था. Unit vector is a vector obtained by dividing any vector with its own magnitude. R vector divided by magnitude of R. तो similarly हमने magnitude वाला जो portion लिया उसे यहाँ multiply कर लिया because it's R square into R. That's why R cube. और वो vector वाला form रखा हुआ है. See. Similarly for second one Q2 upon R2P का क्या हो जाएगा cube और R2P vector and so on. So in general, it's 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. इसके बदले में लिखा. Is summation. Summation में मैं ले रहा हूँ I starts from 1 up to n. तो I is 1 up to n में क्या लिखोगे फिर 1 2 उसकी जगह पे क्या आएगा QI divided by 1 2 की जगह पे क्या हो जाएगा RI और उसका क्यूब और फिर RI उसका वेक्टर फॉर्म. This is your total electric field at point P due to n charges or some charges. Okay. So just draw figure. और एक काम करो, प्लीज वेट, क्योंकि जो टाइम है वो थोड़ा शॉर्ट रहेगा जैसा लग रहा है. तो प्लीज राइट two sentences first and then you will be given time to draw the figure and then go for the steps as well. आप फिगर जो ड्रॉ करने वाले हो उसके बगल में, बहुत बड़ी करनी नहीं है, तो उसके बगल में से यहीं से शुरू करो डेफिनेशन और एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू. राइट डाउन द स्पेशल पॉइंट्स, some important points. Consider a system of charges Q1, Q2 up to Qn. with position vectors r1 r2 up to rn related to some origin O, क्योंकि पोजीशन वेक्टर दे रहे हो मतलब आपको विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू सम रेफरेंस पॉइंट बोलना होगा, और वी आर एज्यूमिंग दैट इट इज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू O, सो रिलेटेड टू सम ओरिजिन O। उसी में लिखो like the electric field at a given point in space due to single charge, the electric field for this system at a given point can be obtained by using Coulomb's law and superposition principle। Next point, consider a point P with position vector R, with position vector R, comma, using Coulomb's law and superposition theorem or superposition principle। Let's determine electric field at that point. Then go for the steps. फाइनल इक्वेशन के बाद हमें 2-3 सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं अभी. So just don't fall in drawing the figure. डायग्राम लास्ट में रखना. इवन डायग्राम के लिए आपको उसका फोटो भेज दिया जाएगा वो अपने व्हाट्सएप वाले ग्रुप में. So just complete this and then we'll write 2 to 3 more sentences in terms of significance of this concept. Shall we start? After completion of this formula, write down the sentence. Next point. The true physical significance. The true physical significance of the concept of electric field emerges only when we go beyond electrostatics and deal with time dependent electromagnetic phenomena. Next point. It is precisely here, H-E-R-E here, okay, here that the notion of electric field is natural and very useful. Comma, the accelerated motion of charge. The accelerated motion of charge Q1 produces electromagnetic waves which then propagate with the speed c. that is the speed of light, right? With the speed c, and cause the force on q2. उसके बाद क्या करेगा, वो q2 तक जाएगा और उस पर फोर्स लगाएगा. So and cause the force on q2. Next point. They are regarded as physical entities. Not merely mathematical constructs.
Mathematical.
They have an independent dynamics
Constructs પછી
of their own. आज के बीच लेक्चर में बीच में वो लाइट चली जाने की वजह से 2-5 मिनट या 10 मिनट, आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली कितने टाइम तक आप लोग सुन नहीं पाए, देख नहीं पाए, पर the total topics covered in today's lecture are only 2. Because of that, I have covered only 2 topics. Electric field, we have started our journey with electric field of a charge, which is an inbuilt topic of that description of electric field. And then after, we discussed an electric field U2 point system of charges. That's it. So, completed for today, and we will meet tomorrow to continue the topic furthermore ahead. Okay.